Hey guys, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the missing sound issue in PUBG Mobile on iPhone. I'll launch PUBG and right away pay attention to this toggle. Make sure it's not in silent mode. See, I have sound, so it's not in silent mode. Also make sure to check this slider to ensure sound is on. If that doesn't help, let's go into settings. To do that, tap the arrow in the bottom right and tap on settings. Here, tap on audio and vibration and check that sound is enabled for all sliders. If yours looks like mine with everything turned on, then the main thing to check is this master sound. There it is. Then exit PUBG, go to settings, go to search and type in sound. Or if it doesn't come up, just scroll down. Here you'll see sounds and vibration and pay attention to this sound setting. And that's it. If everything works for you, great. If not, you can also try restarting your phone. This was Weller. See you all later.